na kuma ikinya ria thirikari kuruguria mubango wa ateithiriria arigitani matura-ini neo CHPs. Maabitha aya ni mamukirite marihi mao ma mbere kuma kuri thirikari nene rierekereirie mushara wa mieri 2 na iranira guthie na mbere kurekereria mishara ino ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
You are the unsung heroes because you have been working for many years. You have been working for many years without anybody thinking about you. This is the first government since independence that has gone out of its way to appreciate that we need to support you, albeit in a small way.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua uria uruguririe mubango uyu wabici-ini yake mwena wa Karen ni athingatire magavana othe bururi-ini kurumirira ikinya riri ria thirikari nene na kurekereria gicunji kiao kia marihi ma mishara ino toria maiguithaniirie niguo kumanyitirira wira-ini wa undu umwe na kumanyitirira miturire-ini yao.
I want to send a passionate plea to our governors to very quickly also organize their part of the stipend, so that with the 2,500 from the national government and their 2,500, the promoter has some 5,000 to take care of his family and do a few things.
Rigathi uria uma hamwe na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan na kumincha na honge ingĩ nyitĩrĩire thirikari mubango-ini uyu ni aũteteire akiuga kuhonokia mĩoyo mĩingĩ ya Akenya ũndũ ũmwe na ngarama nene ya ũrigitani kuona mĩrimũ mĩingĩ nĩ ĩhotaga gũkũranwo tene mbere ya ĩhĩrĩire.
Cost of preventing a disease is 9 times the cost of curing one. So by investing in this program, it may look expensive in the short run, but in the medium term and long term, by these promoters going to homes and helping our people to prevent going to hospital, we will cut down the cost of treating Kenyans.
As Financing Alliance for Health, we have been working with 6 different counties across the country in helping them implement budgets for CHP stipends. So to be able to see this being taken up on a national level after for so long, creating the frameworks for it is a huge win for this country.
Magĩtũgĩria thirikari nĩ ũndũ wa mũbango ũyũ amwe a maabitha ayo na kũrĩ ũguo nĩ mendekithirie kũmbwo watho wa kwendekithia marĩhi marĩa magĩrĩire nĩ kũrĩhwo mũgarũ na ũrĩa maramũkĩra mũigana wa shilingi 5,000 mweri kwa ihinda rĩrĩ.
Kwa hivyo saa hizi zile tumepewa tunashukuru, pia tunataka tuongezewe zaidi. Pia ningeomba Wizara ya Afya ifanyie CHPs training za kutosha, because kuna ugonjwa zingine inaweza lipuka hatujui ya Mungu vile hii corona imekuja na hatuna elimu naye.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Maura wa Gunyama.